guys, we are here at Mokas Coffee Shop in Saraland, where I worked for almost 5 years.
Wow.
And I thought that it would be a lot of fun to bring Joe here and see if he can make a latte.
Well, they don't call me Joe for nothing. Cup of Joe, and it's a joke.
All right, Joe. So this is an espresso machine.
Yeah.
It's easy.
Here I go.
Okay. Yep. That should do the trick. Right
I made a mess.
Yeah. No.
What? What do I do?
You put it up. No. Okay. Now push that in. Nice.
Okay.
Okay. So let's
You gotta go hard with it.
Right.
Okay.
Right. You did a great job.
Yeah.
Very proud. The real question is, let's see how good these shots are. Ooh. Not too bad, Joe.
I don't even know why is that not... Can I just do that for fun?
Yep.
Am I a train conductor? All right.
Goodness gracious, 2 to 3 seconds. Okay, you're making a cappuccino, but that'll work too.
Some latte art?
Yeah.
Okay. Ooh, I know what you're talking about. Like where it looks like a leaf or something?
Yes, and a heart.
Okay.
Do you want a baby cup of coffee?
How do I make it? How do I do the art part of it?
So
I'm just pouring it.
Okay. Goodness gracious.
Ready for this? Is that what you do? No.
That probably wasn't the best.
Okay. I'm making a mess, Chelsea.
I wouldn't drink that.
Oh, I would.
I feel like you would.
Mm-hmm. That's an artistic creation.
So you just made a double shot latte.
Do I have whipped cream on my face?
Nope, you're good.
Okay.
Yep, you're good. With whipped cream and caramel drizzle.
Let's give these guys one on the house. Hold on.
Oh, thank you. I think you could use some more, mainly in presentation.
What?
Tastes pretty good.
Hi.
Hi.
How are you? What are you listening to in the car? I saw you jamming.
21 Pilots.
21 Pilots. For that, we're going to give you 21 shots on the house of espresso. How about that? What would the caffeine intake be if it was 21 shots?
Probably enough to kill you.
You got to be careful with that one. So we're real excited to have Chelsea, but she used to work here. Are you guys mad at us for taking her away?
You know, I think we're gonna survive, but I'd be lying if I said I wasn't a little bit upset.
Well,
I'm gonna miss her.
You're gonna miss her. There you go, Chelsea. See, your coworkers are saying nice things about you.
Sometimes.
Okay, Joe, since it's Mardi Gras, I wanted to get a little festive with my drink. So here at Mokas, we have a flavor called moon pie.
Cool.
And it's the flavor of a banana moon pie. It's my favorite. So what we're gonna do is add 1 pump of banana, 1 pump of marshmallow, and then 1 pump of English toffee.
Not just any marshmallow, toasted marshmallow. So you know it's good.
I'm gonna make my shots. See if I can make them better than yours.
Why is it going to this one? Mine didn't do that.
Because you made a double shot. I'm single shotting it today.
Okay. I'm learning.
So yeah.
So you got about halfway up, then you started to do a swirly swirl.
Yes.
Oh, look at
Bam.
you. Fancy pants.
Still got it. Tastes like I just caught it, y'all. Mocha. So you did okay.
Huh.
Yeah.
Thanks.
I don't know if I would have drank your latte, but that guy got a free latte out of it.
He did.
So I'm glad for him.
Well, thanks for having us out. Cheers.
Cheers.
And look, they even wrote us a nice little note.